Wait, I can make the computer say anything? I just made my computer say something. And it wasn't programmed before. Watch this. I just told my computer what to say. Now imagine this. You can make it say your name, your friend's name, or even something crazy like... But be careful. Don't let your parents see that one. This is called print. It basically means show something on the screen. This word print tells the computer what to do. And these are quotation marks, and everything inside them is what gets shown. Now it's your turn. Say this out loud. Print hello. You just gave your first command, and that's exactly what coding is. Let's play a game. I'll type something, and you guess what shows up. What do you think prints? Is it still hello? If you know what it is, like and comment down below now. It's pizza! Now watch this. We can stack commands. Now it feels like a real game. This is how games show things like scores, levels, messages. All of it starts with print. Now try this. Print something funny. Something your teacher would not expect. Just maybe don't print, I forgot my homework. That one won't help you. Right now, you're controlling a computer with one word. That's powerful. But what if you could make it repeat things automatically? That's where loops come in. Click the next video now, because that's where coding becomes addictive. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content like this.
Subscribe for the code breaks.